So question number 9 I am giving as homework because question number 8 and question number 9 is similar. So I will read once question number 9 also. Calculate the amount and the compound interest on rupees 25,000 for 3 years compounded annually. The rates of interest for the successive years being 8%, 9% and 10% respectively. So the previous sum also similar. They are given 8% and 9%. So rates of interest are different for different years. Here also they are given for 3 years different rate of interest. Therefore, same similar problem. Therefore, I am giving this as homework. Then I will move on to question number 10. Here it says Peter invested rupees 2,40,000 for 2 years at 10% annum compounded annually. If 20% of the accrued means occurred interest at the end of each year is deducted as income tax, find the amount he received at the end of 2 years. So every year income tax will be deducted from the interest. So then we have to find out what is the amount at the end of 2 years. So first step, what you should do, you should write the data. So what is given? So principal amount is given. How much? 2,40,000. 2,40,000. Time they are given 2 years. Next, they are given rate of interest 10% per annum. They are given 10% per annum as rate of interest. So now we will find out simple interest for first year. Simple interest for first year. So PTR by 100. So that is equal to, so what is the principal? 2,40,000 into time is 1 year, first year, into rate of interest is 10 by 100. So two zeros will be cancelled. 2,400 plus 1 0. So therefore 24,000 rupees is the interest for the first year. Now what they are saying, every year 20% of the accrued interest at the end of each year is deducted as income tax. So therefore income tax is equal to 20% of so accrued interest. How much? 24,000. So that is equal to 20 by 100 into 24,000. So two zeros cancelled. So what happens? 248, 2 2s are 4. 4,800 rupees is the income tax. So it should be minused from, or it should be subtracted from the accrued interest. So therefore, interest after deducting income tax, how much? 24,000 minus 4,800. So 24,000 minus 4,800. $19,200. Therefore, amount at the end of first year. Amount at the end of first year. That is equal to, what was the original principal? 2,40,000. 2,40,000 plus 19,200. So 2,40,000 plus 19,200. So 0 0 2 9 5 25 2,59,200. So that is 2,59,200. So now this becomes the principal for second year. Therefore, simple interest for second year. Second year, that is PTR by 100, that is equal to 2,59,200 into second year into rate of interest. How much they are given? 10. 10 by 100. Two zeros will be cancelled. So therefore 25920. So that is 25,920 is the interest. But income tax you have to find out. Income tax is equal to 20% of 25,920. 20 by 100 into 25,920. 1 0 here, 1 0 here. So that is equal to 4, 18, 11, 5,184 rupees as income tax. Therefore, simple interest after deducting income tax. So what happens now? So 25,920 minus 5,184. So 25,920 minus 5,184. 6, 11 minus 8, 3. So 8 minus 1, 7, 0, 20,736. 10 minus 4 is 6. So simple interest after deducting the income tax, that is 25,920 that we got, what we got in the second year interest, minus income tax, how much we got? 20% of 25,920, that is 5,184. If I subtract this amount, so how much I will get? 20,736. That I did here. 25,920 minus 5,184, that is 20,736. Next, amount at the end of the second year, 2,59,200 plus 20,736. So total it amounts to 2,79,936. So note down this.